Good afternoon, Algarve lovers. And here we are back at Villa Sereia. For anyone that's seen our previous videos, you'll know the house. And today we're going to do an annual task, and we're going to cut all the dead palm tree leaves off. There and there. I'll introduce you to our gardener and tree surgeon, Ruben. Good afternoon, Ruben.
Hey.
What is your task today, mate?
Oh, just trimming these palm trees.
And how are you going to do it?
I'm going to do it with a rope.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm going to try and install a rope system.
Yep.
That's going to tie down to the trunk. And
Okay.
I'm going to go up and just saw these off.
So you've done this before then, Ruben, yeah?
Yeah, I haven't done it in a while, palm trees, but I've been doing some pine trees for a customer lately.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is your equipment here?
Yeah, that's all the gear.
Just rope harness?
Yeah, rope harness.
And a chainsaw?
There's a helmet. Chainsaw is in the car.
Yep.
But there's a helmet. And a couple of other stuff.
Yeah, just a word of warning, guys, do not try this at home.
Yeah,
it's only for professional people, this.
Not without the proper training.
Exactly. Okay. Okay, we'll get going, Ruben, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Has it got it? There he goes. So Ruben prefers to use a handsaw rather than a chainsaw. I think he only has one left. Which is around the other side. Let's see how he gets down. That's the first one done, 5 more to go. That's just off one small tree. There we go, on for the second one. He's almost done the second one. Get a little bit closer. Summarize a bit. So the next one's a little baby one there. got the monster one. Should be fun seeing him get up there. Good morning, back at Villa Sereia on day 2. Chopping the palm trees. Nice early start this morning, because apparently by lunchtime it's going to be raining. And we're doing the 2 big ones, so we need to be done before 12 o'clock. So he's just connected his throw line up. Actually did it on his first attempt, which is amazing because of the height of the tree. I'm really impressed with the speed he's done this one this morning. Must have only been taking him 20 minutes and he did that rapid, Ruben, mate. Well impressed. One more to go. The big baby. Well, if he does this first time, I'll be amazed. Nope. Not quite. We'll try again. Go number 2, let's see it. Perfect, that one looks like, yep. Perfect. I think I'm getting vertigo just looking at him up there.
Like a Spider-Man's garden.
Yeah. And just a matter of interest, all the palm trees that we've cut the last couple of days, they're all planted the same week about 30 years ago. Amazing how some grow massive and others don't grow at all. Excellent that, Ruben. I'd just like to thank you for a very professional job, mate.
You're welcome.
You've been amazing. Now Ruben's based in Faro, but he travels anywhere up and down the Algarve. If you need any maintenance work, tree surgery, this guy comes highly recommended. If you could hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below, I can forward his details on. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.